Our tutorial today will be about getting Wi-Fi and Bluetooth into the Dell Slim range, which used to be known as OptiPlex. This year, Dell has gone back to its roots, with each line now having 3 versions. Today's tutorial will cover the Dell Slim, Dell Pro Slim, and Dell Pro Max Slim. As with any electronics handling, take appropriate safety precautions. The most common cause of damage is liquid exposure, so ensure your workspace is free from liquids. One hazard many professionals overlook is electrostatic discharge. The ideal protection is a grounded wrist strap, but frequently touching a metal part of the PC will suffice. Most importantly, be patient, follow each step carefully, and work at your own pace. Do not rush or skip steps. Start by undoing the 2 screws at the back. You don't need to remove them completely, just loosening them so their dangling is fine. They no longer come with a hard drive caddy, so there's nothing to remove in order for us to access the M.2 WLAN slot. The kit itself is quite simple. 2 metal antennas made by Dell. They were designed for a different model, but we've repurposed them. Dell made the ordering process really confusing, and even when we were successful, the quoted price was 3 times higher, so we settled on this solution instead. Try to place the antennas on top of these rectangular cutouts so we don't have any trouble fitting the front panel. Apply firm pressure for the glue to bond. Depending on stock levels and the device model, you will receive one of 2 card designs. Either one will fit. This is the crucial part, connecting the card to the antenna. The best way to do this is by placing them on a flat surface, such as on top of the PSU. You want the connector to face down, so twist it in the correct direction as many times as needed. Once you're sure the connector is directly on top of the socket, apply pressure with your fingernail. If your fingernails aren't strong enough, you can use a small metal object instead. If you're able to hold the card up like that, you have done a good job. You will notice that the edge of the card has an arch, and so does the safety cover. Make sure they face the same direction when placing the cover on. This step is very important to prevent the cables from coming loose and causing a short circuit. Make sure the card is fully inserted and not slightly bent. The machine might not boot if it isn't seated all the way. The front panel has no gap, which means our antenna placements are perfect. Our model has a 14th Gen i5 CPU, but yours might have a different processor, such as a Core Ultra 5, an Ultra 7, or even an AMD CPU. Our first trial used Wi-Fi 7, which achieved about the maximum speed available in the area. Both Wi-Fi 6E and Wi-Fi 6 showed the same results. This demonstrates that, under perfect conditions, either option can deliver similar performance. Does it make Wi-Fi 6E or 7 completely unnecessary? In most cases, yes, but there are situations where these two can perform better than Wi-Fi 6. If your PC is in the same room or the next room from the router, both Wi-Fi 6E and Wi-Fi 7 can reduce congestion by letting you use the 6 GHz band. Since most devices don't use 6 GHz, you'll get lower latency, faster speeds, and better security. However, 6 GHz has poor range. Once the distance reaches about 2 rooms, its signal weakens significantly, making it largely ineffective. Wi-Fi 7 can be very useful in busy, large office environments where more than 8 devices are using the internet at the same time. Wi-Fi 7 doubles the number of devices it can serve concurrently. Wi-Fi 7 also has the ability to use multiple bands at the same time and is less prone to interference in busy network environments.